Achieving optimal health doesn't necessarily require high-end supplements, costly programs, or rigorous diets. In fact, there are simple, natural ways to foster physical and mental well-being. By making small, sustainable changes in your lifestyle, you can maintain and improve your health. Here are some key practices to help you lead a naturally healthy life. 1. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. Eating whole, unprocessed foods is one of the most effective ways to fuel your body with essential nutrients while avoiding the hidden sugars, additives, and preservatives found in processed foods. Whole foods are those that are minimally processed and close to their natural state, like fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Fruits and vegetables are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are vital for fighting inflammation and protecting cells from damage. They also provide fiber that supports digestion, maintains stable blood sugar levels, and can help with weight management. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa offer much more than just energy. Since they aren't stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients, they retain B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, key nutrients that aid in energy production and muscle function. The fiber in whole grains also keeps your digestive system healthy and helps prevent spikes in blood sugar. Lean protein sources, such as fish, eggs, beans, and legumes, provide the essential building blocks for muscle repair, immune function, and hormone production. Protein also promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer and supporting steady energy levels. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are equally important. These fats contain essential fatty acids that benefit brain health, support cell function, and help balance hormones. Eating a diet rich in whole foods lays the foundation for long-term health, providing steady energy, supporting healthy weight management, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's about choosing nutrient-dense foods that nourish every aspect of your body. 2. Stay hydrated with pure water. Staying hydrated with pure water is fundamental for almost every function in the body, from digestion to circulation and temperature regulation. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps cells healthy, and supports organs like the kidneys and liver as they filter waste. Proper hydration also impacts mental clarity, physical performance, and skin health, making it a simple yet powerful component of natural wellness. To meet your hydration needs, aim to drink around 8 cups of water daily, adjusting based on your activity level, climate, and individual needs. Sometimes plain water can feel repetitive, so adding a slice of lemon, cucumber, or fresh herbs like mint can make it more appealing while adding a hint of flavor and extra nutrients. Water is especially beneficial compared to other drinks that may contain caffeine, sugar, or artificial ingredients, which can disrupt hydration balance. By focusing on water as your primary drink, you give your body what it needs to function smoothly without any unnecessary additives. Staying well hydrated can elevate your energy levels, improve mood, and even reduce headaches, offering a simple way to maintain your body's natural balance. 3. Prioritize quality sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep is essential for both mental and physical health, as it supports memory, immune function, and emotional stability. Getting 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night allows the body to repair muscles, consolidate memories, and regulate hormones, which all contribute to daily well-being and resilience against illness. To establish healthy sleep patterns, it's helpful to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, as this reinforces your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Avoiding screens at least an hour before bed can also make a significant difference, as the blue light from devices can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep. Creating a comfortable sleep environment by keeping your room cool, dark, and quiet can promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Quality sleep can improve concentration, mood, and energy levels, making it easier to manage daily stress and maintain overall health. Embracing sleep as a priority is a simple but impactful step toward living naturally healthy. 4. Exercise regularly in natural settings. Regular exercise, especially in natural settings, is one of the most effective ways to support both physical and mental health. Physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. Exercising outdoors, whether through walking, hiking, cycling, or yoga in a park, adds additional benefits due to the exposure to fresh air, sunlight, and nature. Exercising outside not only allows you to soak up vitamin D from sunlight, which is essential for bone health and immune function, but it also helps lower stress and improve mental clarity. The natural scenery can have a calming effect, helping to reduce anxiety and boost mood. For example, a brisk walk in a green area provides a cardiovascular workout while simultaneously offering a chance to connect with nature, promoting relaxation and focus. Aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, along with strength exercises a couple of times weekly, can significantly enhance fitness, flexibility, and overall resilience. Regular movement in natural surroundings not only benefits the body but also provides a mental reset, making it an excellent way to maintain balance and well-being naturally. 5. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Practicing mindfulness and managing stress naturally are vital for overall health. Chronic stress impacts both body and mind, often contributing to issues like high blood pressure, digestive problems, fatigue, and weakened immunity. Taking a mindful approach helps to build resilience and allows for more effective handling of stress. Mindfulness involves bringing attention to the present moment, fostering awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations without judgment. Meditation is a simple way to cultivate mindfulness, even with just a few minutes a day. This quiet, intentional time calms the mind, reduces anxiety, and helps develop emotional resilience. Similarly, deep breathing exercises like the box breathing technique, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, and holding again, can quickly bring down stress levels by activating the body's natural relaxation response. Journaling is another powerful tool for stress relief. Writing down thoughts and emotions provides a safe outlet, helping you process and understand your feelings, which can often bring a sense of relief and clarity. Each of these practices supports emotional health, lowers cortisol levels, and improves focus and mood. By incorporating mindfulness into your day, you can better manage stress, cultivate inner calm, and support your overall health in a natural and sustainable way. 6. Spend time in nature. Spending time in nature offers a profound boost to both physical and mental well-being. The natural environment provides a unique sense of calm and grounding that can't be found indoors, helping to reduce stress, improve mood, and even lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that just 20 to 30 minutes outdoors can enhance feelings of happiness and reduce anxiety, which is often referred to as nature therapy. Being in nature exposes you to sunlight, which naturally boosts vitamin D levels, essential for immune health, mood regulation, and bone strength. This exposure also helps to regulate sleep patterns by balancing melatonin production, leading to better quality sleep. Nature walks, gardening, or simply sitting in a green space have been found to lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, helping to relax the mind and body. The sensory experience of nature, the sights, sounds, and scents, also has a calming effect on the nervous system, aiding concentration and creativity. Activities like walking through a forest, sitting by a river, or hiking up a mountain can provide a refreshing mental reset. Making time to immerse yourself in nature regularly creates an opportunity to slow down, connect with yourself, and nurture your well-being naturally. 7. Build social connection. Building strong social connections is crucial for maintaining both mental and physical health. Relationships provide emotional support, reduce feelings of loneliness, and contribute to a sense of belonging. Studies have shown that people with close social ties tend to be healthier, live longer, and handle stress more effectively than those who are isolated. Social connections encourage you to engage in positive habits, such as regular exercise and healthier eating, and they also help buffer against the negative effects of stress. Social interaction releases oxytocin, the feel-good hormone, which promotes feelings of trust and bonding, helping to improve mood and reduce anxiety. Spending time with family, friends, or community groups provides a safe space for sharing thoughts, feelings, and experiences, helping to lighten emotional burdens. Activities like having a meal together, engaging in shared hobbies, or simply spending quality time in each other's presence foster a sense of connection and mutual support. When socializing isn't easy, finding small ways to connect, such as a quick call or text, can still create a meaningful bond. Developing and nurturing relationships, whether through long-term friendships or new connections, strengthens mental resilience and promotes a happier, more balanced life. Embracing social connections can be a simple yet powerful way to maintain health naturally. Being healthy naturally is about integrating small but impactful habits into your daily life. Focus on eating whole foods, staying hydrated, sleeping well, and managing stress to build a sustainable foundation for health. Remember, consistency is key. These small changes can lead to a significant improvement in your physical and mental well-being over time. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational contents like this. Thank you for watching.